Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Mercedes-Benz CLA 250 with a key. First, ensure your vehicle is in park or neutral for safety. Then, fully insert your key into the ignition slot. Before proceeding, make sure the steering wheel is unlocked, which usually happens automatically when the key is inserted. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth start every time you get behind the wheel of your CLA 250. Once your key is fully inserted, turn it to the first position to power up accessories like the radio. Next, turn the key to the second position. This will illuminate your dashboard warning lights, indicating the vehicle's electrical systems are active. Finally, turn the key to the third position and hold it briefly to engage the starter. Release the key as soon as the engine turns over, and it will spring back to the second position. If your CLA 250 isn't starting, a common culprit is a weak or dead 12-volt battery, often indicated by slow cranking or dim lights. Always ensure your fuel tank has enough gasoline, as an empty tank will prevent starting. Also, confirm your key is properly recognized. A dead key fob battery can sometimes prevent the vehicle from starting, even if the main battery is fine. If issues persist, consider consulting a mechanic. To keep your CLA 250 starting reliably, it's a good practice to replace your key fob battery every 2 to 3 years. Most Mercedes keys use a CR 2032 battery. Having a spare key is also wise, stored in a secure and easily accessible place. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. Regular maintenance of your key and vehicle ensures you're always ready to go.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.